Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unveiling Pokemon card packs. We got these free and we got these two. You're probably wondering why I have them separated. This, where you're opening, it still has a piece of paper in there. This tin right here, which is a Kanto Mini Power tin. These two packs came out. And then I got this don't know the name, Pokeball. Tin looking thing, and it gave us these two packs. We're gonna open them, see what we get, hope we get some good pulls. We're gonna start out with the Kanto tin because I really want to open the Stark Displays and get the Charizard. We'll start off with Cinnamon though. Please be a white and green. Solid green, which means it's probably not gonna be anything. 4 from the back. We got an Energy, a Repel, and Alolan Grimer, Alolan Raticate, nothing. Okay, now with this aside, we'll get out our Darkness Ablaze and hope for a white and green because I really do want this Charizard. This pack is not opening. Okay, there we go. I see something at the back. I don't know if you can see that right there. There's something back there. Oh, it's a wine green. Please be a Charizard. 4 from the back. Let's hope for a Charizard. That's cool art. That's nice. Rowlet. Okay. That's not reversed yet. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, Butterfree V. Not bad. We'll do a recap at the end, see what we got. Set you to the side. And there's trash everywhere, so we'll move that out of there. Now we're starting off. Now it has to be a Butterfree V. Start off with again, Sun and Moon. Then we'll end on Burning Shadows and hope for a Charizard. Ooh, green and white on Sun and Moon. Maybe a Rainbow Rare, possibly. I would enjoy a Rainbow Rare because I do not have a Rainbow Rare in my collection. So let's hope for a Rainbow Rare. Drowsy. Reverse. Followed up by 3, 2, 1. Tor. Oh my, that is so miscut. Look at that. Tauros GX. So we'll set that over here, over there in a different pile, and see who won. Okay, what is this? XY breaking point? Solid green. Oh my, what happened to that card? You can't really see it on camera, but there's like no paint right here. Free from the back? I think it's free. Oh, I'm pointing it the wrong way. Okay. Froakie, Golduck. Burning Shadows. Please, a Charizard. I just want one Charizard. One Charizard and I will be happy. For a Charizard. Any sorts. Ooh, a Rhydon, one I want, a Rhydon. Burning Shadows is 4. Please, oh, is that leaning towards sign? Maybe a Rainbow Rare Charizard? That would be nice. That's a cool card. Porygon. Wait. That's pretty sick. Oh, I thought we were going to get it last one. Okay, and see the kind of the top of the card I'm going to show it to you. Right there. It doesn't look like a Rainbow Rare. Oh, we pulled all of them now. Hollow Rhyperior. Okay, so let's do the recap. This is what we got out of the Pokeball tin. Don't know what they actually are called. We got Tauros GX. I don't know why I said Tauros. A Rhyperior Hollow. And then for the Kanto Mini tin, we got a Butterfree V card. Pretty cool. So, turn the camera on. That's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Leave a like if you do want more Pokemon card openings. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.